hotter. What them a go do you know? New link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are New Link from New Link Production. So viewers and subscribers, before me say nothing more, but just want to play a piece. I want to look a clip. You understand? Then the attacking boss come back with the attack. Bless up.
Some pussy thick rich is small, all in New York City. Check it out, ready to you. Okay, yeah. Yeah, man, some friend that make me live lavish, man. Who them, man? Yeah, oh, say!
Bless up viewers and subscribers again. So, on the hear people, right? On the see in the video. And now me I gotta tell you now about this brother now. Well, this brother who goes by the name people, DJ National. And he is, you understand, the DJ for Squash and for the Six them. Because normally when the whole six are work together, people, whether them they in any other different country, otherwise from Jamaica and tour or anyway, even in a Jamaica people, you will see this man behind the turntables doing the mixing for them while performing. You understand? Sometimes even doing the introduction for the artists and thing in the Six camp. Well, people, sadly, this DJ has passed away earlier on today, people. You know what I mean? Because a couple days ago, he met into a car accident overseas, people, and he was in hospital in serious condition, people. You know what I mean? Very life-threatening condition. And sadly, he dropped out to the people and appear mourning on them thing there for this man, DJ National, people, all over social media. You know what I mean? Squash the whole of them are mourning the passing and the loss of this man because a lot of people look up to him. Well, viewers and subscribers, what really puzzled me is based on some posts, you know what I mean? Even a last thing that he posted up on his Instagram, people, you know what I mean? Look before him accident, people, and he make man have to think and man have to wonder and say, yo, John, you have to really be careful of some things. You really, I don't know if it's a meditation in him brain, people, but sometimes a man will talk something, people, but definitely are the feelings him have or what been going on in his life, which I don't know personally. Zane, well, a post that he posted, people, saying, bury my own self and reincarnate. You know what I mean? So it's like, say, the man tell us, say, him bury himself, him kill himself or something like that then, and him come back from the dead. Him rise back, people. I don't know what went down or why did he think that. You know what I mean? And pertaining to these people, couple days, you know what I mean, good while ago, you know what I mean, he make another post again on his Insta, and this is what he said: a one life, and me no know when them I go have my body frozen, so me have to live in at the moment. It's number #6. Viewers and subscribers, it's sad, but the man drop out now, people. You know what I mean? He was a very great selector because down a Montego Bay side, a lot of people look up to him because he is from that western part in Jamaica, and a lot of people look up to him. A lot of people said they did expect something big out of him as a DJ, you know what I mean, as a selector. And he wasn't also, say, a man, people, who just do the DJ and thing for the system. He also produce music as well because he has his own recording label that they call Game Changer Record, people. You know what I mean? So he was a youth who working his way, people, up to the top, you know. On several occasions you will see posts up in his hashtag and thing on Instagram, people. He always have some quotes and thing talking about like other people trying to fight him and this, and you know what I mean, they can't hold him back about his money, about his success, a lot of different things, people. And he was really an entertaining man, cause a lot of time, a lot of clips you can see when he's around the Six them, he always there giving jokes and thing, and you know what I mean, always I put a smile upon them face. So I know this is a big blow for the Six them, especially Squash, you know what I mean, because I have seen where he and Squash have a very close relationship, like a brother, people, you know what I mean, very, very close and things. So boy, me I tell people, say life is a thing, you know. Life and death is a must, and we never know when our time will be. And that's why me always say, you know, we can hype about these money, you know what I mean, these flossing, these big cars, these big houses and thing, but It can take 1 second and it just slip away from you like that. Everything gone. You know, it's hard to work your way up to the top, people. But I'm telling you, it's easy to get down on your life. Just easy to blow away like that. You know. But in the end, people, we have seen where the up top camp, that's the TJ camp, and the 6 camp are losing couple members from this year start, because when I look on the Trinidad side, you know, and earlier on in this year, you see where Kayla drop out, then shortly after that, you see where Rebel 6 life was taken away, people, and these men who are considered, especially Rebel 6, a member of the 6 camp, because just the other day, I saw where Grim YG released a song, you know what I mean, with Rebel 6, you know, say, really and truly, people, he was definitely a member of the 6. You can say where Squash and everybody did have mourning for him and thing, you know, if you know, I know that now, a DJ who is a part of the 6 camp has lost his life. People, I'm not gonna jump and say, yo, this is a sacrifice thing, or them a sacrifice the you, them are this, I can't say that, people. But what I'm saying is, it seems like these men know what's been going on personally in their life. Like they know what they put themselves into sometime, people, or they know what deal they make. I don't know what I go on, but because of some quote, people, honestly, for me personally, me not predict no death for myself. So me no want to go tell nobody, so me bury myself and reincarnate. Me no want to do that, people. You know what I mean? Because death, me know so life and death is a must. You get me, I say? And you shall not fear it. But what I'm saying, people, is that me no want to put death for myself. If death shall come my way, what can I do about it? You know what I mean? And them I got talk about, them I got have my body frozen and them something that, yo, me no want, you know what I mean? So I don't know what these men are praying or what they are thinking, people. But as I'm saying, it just start to see how them money lose them life, or them just drop out so easy. You get me, I say? And me look into it, people, and me I say where them money is just like they're living, you know, and basically they worship vanity too much, you know. Sometime, you know, we all get caught up in these systems, especially when you come on to the industry, you know what I mean, pertaining to the artists, and based on this fact right now, pertaining to the artists, and when they come on to industry, the artists get so lost, because when they do go out there, people, they see the life that is out there, the vanity life, meaning money coming away, money flowing, you know, you can drink the highest grade of liquor, you can drive some unbelievable car that you could never drive before, you stay in the highest class at hotel them, you can have like 10 girls around you one time, you know what I mean, chuck off in a private jet, doing this, doing that, people, but you will never know when that moment will come, you know. So as I'm saying, what happens is a lot of people do get lost with these things, and they never remember to think one day, you know, and say thank you Almighty for wake me up this morning. Father God, me I beg you, carry me upon the road safe and bring me back in, you know, as I'm, you know what I mean. So what I'm saying, people, we have to always remember that there's an Almighty. A lot of people, you can't tell them how to believe or what to believe, you know what I mean? But a lot of people intend to believe, so yo, there's no God and this and that. And some people who do believe that there was a God earlier, and after certain things start come their way, as I'm talking about the money and the hype lifestyle, people, they forget about him, you know what I mean? And the Almighty will show them signs, people. The Almighty will give them, you know what I mean, visions and things to see things, and in the end, they fail to observe and look, you know, say a sign God has shown me do. You know, say me enough to do this, you know, say me enough to do that, until it just comes a boom, when them just drop out. So all I can say, viewers and subscribers, I just say no, my condolences to the whole 6 them. I know them in the morning right now, people, and me have to say, yo boy, this man seeing death like you see death a come. That me have to pray, people. Me have to say, yo, it's like him seeing death a come. He don't know what to do. He could stop it, but all him do, he just live life until it come. But people, his life is gone, and all I can say is rest in peace. Young youth drop out, man, you know. So rest my condolences to the whole 6 camp, to all everybody who are mourn the loss and passing of this man, and you know, all I can say, may his soul rest in peace. Attack, peace, love, respect, and remember, please subscribe. I'm out. Big up, rest in peace, DJ National.